Beautifully appointed home located across the street from Willoughby Bay and a block from the Chesapeake Bay. Quartz countertops, soft close drawers and doors, full overlay cabinets. Stainless steel appliances include a gas stove, dishwasher, and microwave. Large walk-in pantry. Open floor plan. One bedroom is located on the main living floor west/a full bath, kitchen, dining and family room west/fireplace. The second floor is the master suite west/a large walk-in closet, 2 separate vanities, water closed and tiled shower, 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath and a deck finish off the second floor. The third floor is a large 5th bedroom, no closet, great media room or conditioned storage. The ground floor has plenty of storage for your beach toys or bicycles.